Many people don't know how to handle money. They actually don't know the rules of money. The rules of money are as important as earning it. Well, in this video we will be telling you the 11 most important rules of money that will make you rich. Now let's start. 1. Pay your credit cards off every month. According to a CEO of a digital financial planning service, the biggest mistake people in their 20s and 30s make with their money is charging too much on their credit cards and getting fined. The average American will end up with $7,000 in debt. Too many people think that having a little credit card debt isn't a big deal. Do you know how much you can safely carry over? The answer is zero. Credit card interest rates are very high, so paying them off every month should be your main financial goal. 2. Put away enough money to cover 9 months' worth of bills. About half of people don't even have $400 saved up for emergencies, let alone the money they need for something bigger, like losing their job. Everybody knows they need to save more cash, but it's important to know their number. This is how much money you would need to pay for your basic needs for 6 months. It's a huge step forward to at least start thinking about saving when you sit down and write down your costs. If you want to know the best tricks to earn money and get rich, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. 3. Go without spending money for 30 days. Even though juice and water fasts are popular, a money fast is actually one of the best things you can do for your life. 1 whole month of not spending any money on anything except your basic bills and saving the rest. You will save a lot more money during the no-spend month, and it will be easier to make those small cuts once you'll notice how much you really spend on small things. 4. Find out about your 401k. Does your 401k make sense to you? How do I find it? What kind of amount is inside? People get stuck when they don't know something about money because they think they should, but financial experts say that ignorance is not an excuse for not doing anything. And not knowing something is the worst when it relates to saving for retirement. The Motley Fool says that 42% of people aren't saving anything for retirement. No one expects you to know everything there is to know about retirement, so ask someone from HR or the bank to help you figure it out. Make sure you're putting in the maximum amount each month and using any matching programs your company may offer. 5. Look at your credit score. Because of a new rule, every American can get 1 free credit report a year. You should use this benefit. Making sure you keep up with your credit is very important since it affects many things, from your rent to insurance premiums. Your goal should be at least 710, but don't stop there. Go through your whole report to find mistakes, old loans you may have forgotten about, unpaid bills, and signs of errors. It could take months to fix these issues, so start cleaning them up right away. 6. Establish a monthly budget for yourself. In situations where individuals were required to frequently balance their checkbooks, they had a better understanding of budgeting. Now that everything is done online, a lot of individuals are experiencing difficulty remembering what is moving in and out of their accounts. As a result, planning becomes somewhat more difficult since you will need to search for money in more than one account. Nevertheless, this also makes it more vital to do so. You may also obtain some great new applications for your phone that show you your budget. These apps are available for download. 7. Pay off your student loans as soon as possible. The average amount of money that graduates from the class of 2022 received when they received their degrees was $29,800. They are suddenly confronted with the need of repaying the debts that they took out during their time in college, which places a significant burden on their financial situation. The first thing that has to be done is to divide these loans into two categories: those that are funded by the federal government and those financed by private companies. The next step is to determine whether or not you are eligible to participate in one of the recently developed programs that are designed to assist individuals in consolidating their government loan payments and therefore reducing their overall monthly responsibilities. If each of your loans is held separately, you should discuss the possibility of consolidating your debts with each of your lenders in order to negotiate more favorable conditions. Before taking any loan, always think twice. If it is for good use, then you may proceed. 8. A year's worth of life insurance should be purchased. In addition, many individuals do not give much thought to life insurance because they believe it is too complicated for them to comprehend. But there is no need for it to be difficult. It is recommended by specialists that you purchase sufficient funds to last for 20 to 25 years, or until your children, if you have any, graduate from college. At the same time that it won't put a strain on your finances, this is one of the most beneficial things you can do for your family and for your personal sense of relief. 9. Invest in real estate in order to get a profit. It is a mistake for young people to delay purchasing a property since paying rent allows them to have more flexibility. Rich savages aren't the only people who can afford real estate. Home is the most precious possession that the majority of individuals have in their possession. The return on homes is consistent with being higher than the return on stocks. On the other hand, you should have sufficient funds saved up for a down payment of 20%. If, on the other side, you are unable to purchase a home at this time, you can consider purchasing more real estate stocks or perhaps renting a property with a member of your family. 10. Watch out for identity theft. Again, don't delete or throw away your bank receipts without reading them. If you suspect misdeeds, check your bank accounts and credit card and loan alerts first. False pretenses get harder to detect and damage your money the longer they go on. It's crucial to watch out for bad people. 11. Don't spend more than you can afford to spend. A significant number of us struggle to adhere to this guideline, despite the fact that it is the most fundamental principle regarding personal expenditure. Basically, all that is required is to find little methods to increase one's income while simultaneously decreasing one's expenditures. It is now more simpler than ever before to locate these little opportunities, given that we now live in an internet world. Whether you want to market your room on Airbnb, sell your favorite hobby items on Etsy, share products and services on apps, or sign up for Mechanical Turk, you may make money by doing any of these things. When your imagination begins to operate, you will find that you have a lot of possibilities to choose from. That's all for today. Now you know all the rules of money. These rules are very important. All the millionaires go by these rules regularly. You can also become a millionaire with these rules. Rules of money are more important than earning it. Billionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Robert Kiyosaki all follow these rules. My friend named Joey, who was just having $100 in his bank account 3 months ago, is having $2,000 now. Share this video with all of our friends, colleagues, family members, and everyone you know. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button if you are interested in watching more financial videos daily. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Thank you all for watching the video till here.